Hello, all. Today we are going to see about the latest trending news by DeepSeek. Let's start by going to their website. The why DeepSeek is now at a trending point. DeepSeek have already released DeepSeek 2.5, DeepSeek V3 version 3, version 2.5. Everything has already been released, but today we are not going to see V3. Still, we are going to see about DeepSeek R1 release. Basically, this DeepSeek R1 release, right? If we start seeing about, they are immediately started hitting about the OpenAI performance on par with OpenAI's O1. Basically, why it is so trending, right? OpenAI's O1 model, we will get access to that model only $200 subscription if we pay to OpenAI. Then only we can access. But this is an fully open source model, MIT licensed open source model, and for the technical model weights and the technical reports has been fully open sourced. This is better performing than the O1. So if we see here the performance cycle here, right, in whatever benchmark we take, they are surpassing the OpenAI O1 1217, the model version, and any other model they have. So this is fully open sourced. This makes a huge shake in the industry. If we see here, right, uh, even if we leave this, actually, this is a bonus. Like they have also released distilled models like R1, 6 different models from 1.5B to 32B, 14B, 70B. Every models are available in the market. So this is they are saying to empowering open source community, and they're pushing the boundaries of open AI. It's not open AI, it's open AI. Okay. So if we see the benchmark wise, or the performance wise, or the cost wise, everything, it is outperforming the $200 subscriptions. OpenAI's O1 model. Maybe they can bring it to $20 subscription, even though it's not closed source, it's open source. Maybe open, it's not exactly open source, also it's open weight model. And the open technical report, open source in the sense which they must open source the data, the training techniques, training code, everything should be opened. So that means only open source, else it is called open weight. This is itself a huge insane for the community, what I felt. So if we see the technical report has been also released, when we compare the pricing rate, the pricing also, it is totally astonishing. Like 1 million tokens is just cost $2.19 for input. Also, input API price, cash hit is 0.14, and cash miss is 0.55. But if we see DeepSeek R1 pricing, models and pricing, so there is, I mean, the maybe that would be calculated accordingly to, okay, as soon as you pass the input token, that will be cashed also. So it is only costing around $0.14 for input per million token, and output is like 2.19. If we want to compare it with OpenAI pricing, right? OpenAI API pricing, GPT-4o pricing is, input token is 2.5 million, I mean $2.5 per million token, and $10 for per million token. If you want to access the latest GPT-4o model, then it is costing $5 for million token and $15 for million output tokens. Oh my god. We have the cache also. No, API pricing is over here. This is batch API. API pricing is different, and batch API pricing is totally different. So $5 and $15. And if we compare here, $0.14 and $2.19. So this has shaken the industry. How it has shaken? Okay, the pricing difference is over here also. If we see here, the AP input pricing is 7.5. They mention over here, Oven they are comparing with. Okay, we should not compare it with GPT-4o. We should compare it with Oven. So the input price is like, Oven is $7.5. That is $0.14, and output is $60. Oh my god, that's insane. Like Here it is 2.19. It's just a fraction. This is nothing. And let's see how it have shaken. If you want to review the technical report of DeepSeek, please let me know in the comments, so that I will go through the technical report and say the important points over there. How it have shaken? Let's see. First of all, the DeepSeek is the first number one productive app in China's Apple. I mean, sorry, it's in America's Apple Store. So the number one productive app, if you see in your Apple Store in America, that will be DeepSeek, not ChatGPT. These much days it was ChatGPT. Now it is DeepSeek. This is itself a first spot giving to DeepSeek. The second thing will be like you would have all heard as of now. I mean, until now you would have heard. I guess it's the stock market crash in America. Last night, Nvidia fell like 17%. It's 17%. And Microsoft well 4%. TSMC is 14.50. That also is around 15%. AMD is 7%. I don't know what Apple did, but Apple is around 3% up. But the they are saying like it's estimated around overall American market fell $1 to $2 trillion has been fell. Do you know why? It's only because of this DeepSeek has released, and it is performing so well than the OpenAI. And do you know something? This DeepSeek is fully trained within $5 million of uh, value. It costed only 5 million for training this model. Whereas OpenAI is like spending billions and billions in training their models. Recently, I heard OpenAI used $2 million for just benchmarking in R price dataset alone. When you compare that, this DeepSeek is performing so well. I mean, at a very low cost. They're performing so well. That's why this whole thing happened. These are all some shock waves happening in the industry, and people are started adapting to use DeepSeek. Actually, when it comes to coding, right, Claude was the best for sure. There is no doubt in that. Now people are trying out. Okay, will DeepSeek also surpass Claude as per technical reports or evaluation benchmarks? People always say Gemini or OpenAI say they are already surpassed Claude's latest models. But when it comes to coding, there is no doubt Claude is performing so well, so well. So in real use cases, now can DeepSeek also originally surpass the Claude and perform well or not? We need to test. Once let's wait for what community says, and let me also test the models, and let us make a separate video for that also. Okay, after all of these, how can we access these models? That is the next questions. First, let us start with DeepSeek website itself. DeepSeek has its own website. You can just click deepseek.com or chat.deepseek. Okay. Due to large malicious attacks on DeepSeek services, registration may be busy. Please wait, try again. Okay, I think something is happening in DeepSeek website, or large number of users are coming to DeepSeek. So currently the registration is not happening, I guess. But I think I can log in. Let me check. Okay, as of now, I can now access the DeepSeek. Here there are two options like deep think and search. Without thinking also you can ask. Let's put deep think and ask like what can we ask? Maybe like the famous question: how many hours are in? Okay, strawberry. Actually, it is thinking. Okay, let me figure out how many hours are in R letter in the strawberry. First of all, let's start writing letter by letter. Okay, let's wait. It's thinking. Let's break it down. The question three. We have 3 hours. Okay. First of all, we need to calculate. It's thinking actually. Basically, the R1 model started thinking process. This is exactly thinking. Still, the exact output is not out yet. Uh, let's wait for what it thinks. Yes, there are 3 hours, but I'm pretty sure strawberry has 2 hours. Wait, maybe the correct spelling has 2 hours. Let me check again. Maybe I added an extra hour. Oh, it's thinking so many times. Oh my God. See, it has reiterated. Yes, there are 3 hours, but pretty sure, but I'm pretty sure strawberry has 2 hours. Oh my God. Upon checking strawberry spelled so letters, so yes, three is the alternative. Maybe it's made. Oh my God, it's thinking. Maybe it made a mistake. Again, it passes inside the model and comes up with, let's calculate it from the first and let's try it out from again. This is nice. Then it figure out where is the first R, where is the second R, where is the third R. Then it comes with three instances of R in the thing strawberry. So the answer is three. This is the deep thinking, and there is also a search feature is also available. Let's put another prompt like how many words are in the output. This is a very tricky question. Let's check what it is doing. Let me figure out referring. Oh, it is interlinking with strawberry. Looking back at the previous conversation, the user asked R in the strawberry, and I responded with this, okay, 3. Now the user is asking number of words in the output. They might mean the entire response I provided. Let me check it again. Okay, it's saying with okay, strawberries. I think it must give how many words are there in this sentence, I guess. We need to wait and check what it is thinking. We need to wait, right? The way, the approach which it thinks. And we actually, if you want to know how this thinking process happening, that also let me know in the comments so that I put a dedicated video for that. How it is, uh, the thinking process, how the thinking process happens. I think we need to fast forward this video, I guess. It is thinking. Oh my God, it started giving the answer. Okay, first paragraph strawberry. Let's break down. It has 10 words. Then each line included an optional annotation which is 3R, that is 16 words. Then conclusion sentence there are 3, that is 10 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10 words, right? This is it considered as a one word answer. We didn't consider this as a word. So totally it comes up with 37. Oh my God, it has thinking a lot. If we see over here, let's put word counter. Oh my God, 38. It left the last one alone. It's exactly accurate. It left the last one. Let's leave that, but still, it is so near. It thinking a lot, but the answer is so near. It gave us 37. It left this last one alone. Slash box 3. It is saying the output format how it should be. Oh my God, the results are so impressive for me. But let's see. Yesterday, I have uploaded a video on Grok 3. How Grok 3 is so powerful than this DeepSeek. Please check out that video. I will add in the card also. Um, this is insane. This is very nice, actually. Okay, let's see how can we run this in local. Actually, I'm not going to exactly run this, but if we want to see, right? I mean, I will try to show how can we run. If we see here, right, Olama started supporting it. You can just click like, I mean, you can just run like Olama run DeepSeek. If you want 671 billion parameter, then you need to have the Apple Silicon chip RAM up to level of 404 GB plus or minus like 410 at least. Then if you have NVIDIA GPUs, then you can run it in, you need around 400 GB of GPU. So else you don't have that, that is no problem. There is no problem. Like you starts with 1.5 billion parameter is also supported, 7 billion is supported, 8 billion is supported, 14 billion, 32, 70 and 671. The 671 is the exact R1 what DeepSeek mentions as their performance. The 70, 32, 14 all distilled models. Like it is I mean trained on some other models like Llama, DeepSeek R1. So I mean not DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek version 1, like that models it is exactly trained on. Whatever model you want to train, based on the RAM, how much you have, you can select the version, and if you select, it will come up with the command to download and run. So you can run it on your local machines using Olama. If you want to have the exact model, right? I mean, exact original model which is released by uh, DeepSeek, then you need to check out. This is the DeepSeek R1 file. Uh, so this is basically you need around, I feel like 2000 GB, I guess, of that too NVIDIA memory. That too you are running with the VLLM. Uh, but the performance will be as you saw, what you saw in the browser, like DeepSeek website, right? Like that, the performance will be there. If you want to host the FP32 version, then it's for sure you need around 2000 GB of NVIDIA GPUs. If you need 2000 GB of GPUs, you need to have two racks of 8 into X NVIDIA H100 or 200 cards. That's like uh, 40-50 lakhs, I guess. It's also a very big amount. So basically, if you want to run it in on your local, you can run it using Olama and check it. But if you want to use it as an API, then you can definitely get that much performance at a very lower cost. Uh, and as you see, right, the pricing of that is very, very low. It's just 2 point DeepSeek pricing. 1 second. $2.14. I mean, it's very low. $2.19. It's very low for a million token compared to any other models available in the internet. So whatever you want to choose, and let me know about this in comments. Okay. See you all in next video. This is Srijayan signing off. Bye bye.